How to manage personal note on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage personal note on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then just go here and click this one here and then click personal note and type here anything you want, and you can turn this one off if you on if you want, and you can turn it off again, and you can select display time. Just click here and select any time you want, and then click confirm and save. And that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.